I hate right now.
When the storm breaks, we move. But we're safe here. Warm enough.
Oh, I've played!
I guess.
I have played! Coulter.
Doubtful.
Oh, yes!
Just worried.
Give it me, bro!
Poor Hosea. I don't feel that this is honestly anything new.
I hope not.
We had a bit of bad luck. Storm covered our tracks, and
Now we wait a bit, and we go back to
Blackwater, and we get our money, or we
get some more money, and we keep heading west. But we're heading east.
2 more missions. Now, let me run! B. Who's B? Bill! Bill!
Oh, boys, because a couple of days on the lam.
you lot have all turned.
Shut the f up. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, apart from you, of course.
Shut up.
What now?
Southwest, right, Arthur? Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna quickly Google this, okay?
The call. You want to
I'm
take
always
the lead?
alone.
Go.
Timu. How to get
We don't
Micah.
have time to debate this.
Shut the fuck. How to get Micah's revolver in chapter 1. There we are.
So why'd they let you go? I wouldn't have done. Feller didn't have much choice, was picking his teeth off the floor.
Okay. Now we're gonna go over here. If you follow me through the house. Yep, alright. I disarm him. Disarm. Stop! Now follow me. You still have your gun. Put the gun down. Put it down. Oh, well, I'm dead.
So, what are we doing, Dutch? I can take this if you want. Just.
We want his revolver. Die. Shut up, Dodge. I know what I'm doing.
Kill these sons of bitches.
Oh, that was sick. I wish I had Deadeye. I really wish I had Deadeye.
Look out! We got more of those cabins to the right.
Yep, cabin to the right, got him. Should be 2 dudes there. Yeah. Yep, disarmed. Go, this guy, it's this guy. Put my gun down. Yep, disarmed. Yep. Disarmed. Now follow me to Micah. Now, yes. Yes. Yo, yes. Come on, boy. Kill him. Get him. No, Micah. Yo. Micah, no. Yeah, I want to see what this train is.
See that fella? Wasn't he at the camp with Colm? Leave him to me. All right, we're heading back. Just bring him back alive. Could be useful. Okay, you got it.
Is he Kieran? Is that Kieran? Lasso. Ah. My shoes horse. just killed Kieran. No, that's Kieran. Right, no, I think I killed him.